the podcast where we explore around the world. And this is me, Hannah Merina, as your host, and
Putri Cynthia Rossi as host today.
okay, today we have a special guest from Syria, and he will explain about the adventure that has explored around along the way, and then he studied abroad and then travel. So let's dive in. Welcome to
Osama Al Khotib.
Okay, can you introduce a little bit about yourself and what brought you here?
Fine. Firstly, my name is Osama Al Khotib. I'm from Syria. I'm from Damascus, Syria. I'm 18 years old. I'm here in Indonesia as a student. Yeah, I'm still studying. I'm in Tangerang. I'm graduate in boarding school. Boarding school in Tangerang. Maybe this my information of myself.
Okay, the next question. Can you explain the journal school, your journal school in Indonesia?
Explain my journal school. My education, my education system in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm. You can tell I born here in Indonesia.
Oh.
I'm born here. So you can't say I'm come to Indonesia. No, I'm born here. Yeah. I see my Indonesia is my country. Yeah. Because I'm can't go into Syria. And maybe 10 years I don't go to years. I don't see my people, my family in Syria. And I'm staying in Indonesia maybe 13 years, 14 years. Yes, this is my information of my education. I'm junior school in boarding school. My senior high school in boarding school. Yeah, I love study in boarding school. Why? Because this so help to my language, my English language is good. It's better. Yeah. Maybe I tell you when I study in boarding school in junior school, my Indonesian language it's zero. No, I can't speak Indonesian. I can't. When I talk with my friend in
English or Arabic?
in Arabic. They can't speak Arabic. In that time I don't have friends.
It's difficult to communication.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I learn, in English language, and then I study in senior high school in Tangerang.
What's the name of your boarding school?
Al-Wildan.
I see.
Al-Wildan boarding school.
So you have been in boarding school in 6 years, right?
Yes.
Yes.
From junior
Yes,
to
yes,
senior?
From senior and yes, from junior and junior.
We also learn in boarding school.
Yeah,
No,
I've
same thing.
been in boarding school for 8 years actually.
8
8
years.
years.
8 years.
Yeah.
Oh, from you,
From
young.
junior, from junior high school
From junior high school.
to senior, and after that I spent 2 years again for associate degree in boarding school.
I 7 years.
7 years.
Yes.
So what are you busy now? Are you working or still studying?
I'm here still studying. Yeah. And I'm help my father. My father is you can say is Sheikh or Dai in Indonesia. Same thing with Sheikh Al Jaber, Sheikh Al Hidayah, Sheikh ini. My father is, but not, my father don't have account Instagram or YouTube. Yeah, my father have school in Puncak. I help him. My father is he love I'm study Islamic education. Okay, he love I'm study Islamic. Why? Because he wants me to be a dai or be a sheikh like him. My father, my brother he he study not Islamic. He study formal education.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
So, when you learn Indonesian, like, is there any barrier in language?
Nah, when I learn Indonesian, I tell you, I learn Indonesian maybe 2 months, 3 months. I
It's
can
easy.
speak in Indonesian and easy.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
actually Indonesian is not international language.
I know this, but I can learn Indonesian language in maybe 3 or 2 months. Why? Because my friend, my teacher, my place
Yeah.
is full. Full. I heard English language, Indonesian language, so that I can speak in the Indonesian language in quickly. I can learn in quickly Indonesian language. Yeah.
Okay, before we study in Indonesia, you study in your country, right?
Yeah, I study elementary one, maybe for 2 years in but I'm still young. I'm young.
Yeah.
When I study in Syria, I'm young. I don't see any difference Indonesian or Syria. Not different, big difference.
In education.
Yeah. I don't see different. Maybe in Syria you can see boarding school or pondok pesantren.
Yeah.
In Syria don't. Why? Because they don't want, our president don't want people learn Islamic. They want to learn maybe in my country they teach French language, French and English and maybe many language, but not Islamic.
I think Syria is Islamic
Yeah,
country.
Islamic.
Yeah, Islamic country, but Shia.
I
No.
see, I see.
Syria is maybe 30% of this country is Shia. 70% is Shia. Yeah, but you can see education, Islamic education. You can see that. Why? Because president he don't want mashayikh, he don't want people dying in this country, in his country. Yes.
And then what's your main motivation to study in Indonesia? You have the motivation to study in here?
Or because you just born in
Yes.
You mean in live here, not study here. In live here. Why my father, not me? Why my father he chose in Indonesian? Why my father? Because he searched Islamic country. Islamic country with nice people,
Yes.
with nice
Humble people.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because Indonesia has a big population for Islamic.
Yeah. And then in Indonesian people, I see they love Arabic people.
That's true.
That's right.
That's right. My father firstly he come to Malaysia in 10 years maybe. He worked as teacher in university in many universities in Malaysia. And then alhamdulillah many student him in Indonesia so much. When I come to Malaysia in myself, I come to Malaysia, many people he say to me, they students my father. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. 8 years, and then he come to Indonesia. He loved he found a work here in Indonesia in the University Lipia.
Yeah. I see.
Lipia Lembaga Islam Pendidikan.
Education.
Yeah, education in Lipia.
Okay.
Then he worked as teacher in many universities in Indonesia.
So besides in Indonesia, I'm sure you traveled around the world. So what most memorable of country that you have visited?
And maybe when I shop, I travel in Jordania, in Emirates, but I love Bali. I travel to Bali because
Oh, Bali.
Bali
Yeah.
is in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Is still area Indonesia, Bali, right?
Yeah, right.
But when I come to Bali, I see very different in Indonesia. Why?
Right.
Because I see this different country, not in Indonesia,
Not in
but
Indonesia.
Bali. So beautiful Bali. So and then when I come to Bali, I speak Indonesian language. They not can they can, but they speak with me in English language. Why? I don't know. Well, I don't know. I can speak in English language, and maybe not a lot, but I can. But when I talk with him in English language, they respond with English language. Yeah, I shocked. I see that, but I love Bali.
Yeah, some of foreigners talk to that Bali is different with Indonesia.
Yeah, very different Indonesia.
What have you learned from when you have traveled to around the world? What you learned from yourself during this experience?
Myself, maybe I know I learn myself. Maybe I love so much travel. I know this. I love so much travel. Maybe I don't have money. Maybe I don't have money, or I can't. But I still want to travel. Yeah. I learn respect respect another people in another country. Yeah, maybe I learn this.
Can you explain a little bit about your culture in Syria?
In Syria. Yeah. Let me I show you not in just in Syria, in another country, in another Arabic country. You can see a big difference in Indonesia or Arabic country, but the Arabic country they maybe don't like a hard work. In Indonesia, maybe you see woman with maybe 20, 70 years old. She hard working.
Yeah.
She working in maybe in store, working in another place. But in Syria, no. In our country, no. Work only men. Men can't working. Can working only men. Women can't working. Why? Because women in Syria or in Arabic country, they don't they forbidden maybe in the husband or I don't know. But in Indonesia, I see maybe young old boy, maybe 15, 16 years old. He hard working in Syria. No. In Syria, our men, old men can working in Syria or in Arabic country. And then, but I'm myself. When I want to live, I want to live in Indonesia. Why? Because I'm here so long time, and then I love people here. I love people here, and then the education in Indonesia not hard. When I want to work, when you want, not hard. In Arabic, maybe I see, I don't know, as my information, I see this hard. You want to working in Arabic, and then you must have you must smart, or you must have many science. You can, and then you can work in Arabic country.
So in Syria, no one woman in store like that.
No.
No.
You don't want this.
MashaAllah.
I see this good.
Yeah,
Good, yeah, actually.
it's very good.
Yeah, but with they're not good when women want to work, working Islamic. Maybe when women of Arabic country want to paint, many Muslim is they don't want to their wife is working. Maybe me too. Yeah, me too. When I get married, inshallah. I don't know. I don't want to my wife working. I'm the man. Yeah, I'm the man in my house. I'm working. My wife is like a queen. Don't go
If it's
inside.
just a teaching?
What?
Teaching?
Teaching, I see firstly in a school, and I see, but when I see him is not a man in this school, then maybe, but if she wants to working, it's not problem for me. Yeah, but she's money, not mine.
Oh.
She's money, not mine. It's my money, yeah.
I know.
For my wife. Yeah. You understand, yeah?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
And then, do you have a culture shock
In Indonesia.
in the first you come in Indonesia? Culture shock.
When I don't know, 100% this country, many shock. I see a lot.
It's like traffic.
Traffic light.
Maybe it's
Maybe culture.
any culture. I don't know what is culture in Indonesia. For example, in Indonesia, people have a smiley face.
Yes.
People when found the problem, they don't you can see angry. They still smiling. They still,
Yeah.
still and Syria no.
Yeah.
In Syria you come to Syria. People in Syria they you can see don't have a smiley face. When I sit down, when I sit in road or in a restaurant or in many good places, and then people come, then for example salam or I don't
Expect.
Syria don't like this. Why
It's
what do you want?
It's a very bad.
What do you want? My don't. This is my business. I'm eating or I'm working. Yeah, they don't love. For example, I'm salam or I'm smiley. Maybe different in Indonesia. When I come to Indonesia, I don't do this. I'm think Indonesian people don't like this. Don't love this. Yeah, then when I found people, they maybe see me.
Yeah.
They see me as arrogant. Maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, this is my.
In your country, just ignoring another people.
Yes.
Do you want to say something to the listener who want to study abroad for motivation?
You mean in Syria or in?
In
In another country. I see today. You see what can you do? What's your
Goals.
yeah? What you doing? Maybe I can speak Arabic. I can speak Indonesian. I have maybe I have Islamic science. I search what Islamic country I can study in Islamic country. Maybe Saudi. I want to study in Saudi. I want to study in university in Saudi. Why? Because I have Islamic science.
Yeah.
Maybe my friend he studied in STPI Tangerang. STPI Tangerang, Sekolah Tinggi Penerbangan. Why? Because he's so smart in science. He's so smart in math. Yeah, he's so smart. So that he studied in STPI. Yeah. I say to them, you must know what you can to do, what you can to learn. Yeah, this is my answer.
Okay, Osama, can you teach us for closing in Arabic language?
Arabic language. Okay.
Yeah.
شكرا لكم.
شكرا
شكرا
لكم
لكم على حضوركم
على حضوركم
وعلى مشاركتكم معنا.
وعلى مشاركتكم معنا.
إلى اللقاء في الفيديو القادم إن شاء الله.
إلى اللقاء في
video inshallah.
Inshallah.
If
Okay.
we will say, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget لا تنسوا. لا
لا
تنسوا
تنسى.
اللايك والسبسكرايب.
لا
تنسى عليك
like and
والسبسكرايب.
subscribe.
Okay, see you.